It's little discovery time. This is a cement mixer, a strong vehicle used for carrying wet concrete. Concrete is made using cement mixed with water, sand, and small stones. Concrete is very strong and lasts a long time. It is used to make things that stay in place, like roads, floors, and buildings. At the back is a large mixing drum. The drum turns slowly, round and round. Inside the drum, the concrete keeps moving. This helps stop it from becoming too hard too soon. The cement mixer drives to where the concrete is needed. When it arrives, the drum keeps turning. Then the concrete comes out, down the chute. The chute helps guide it to the right place. The wet concrete pours out slowly and carefully. Then people can spread it, smooth it, and shape it. Later, the concrete gets hard. A cement mixer carries, turns, and pours, round and round, one load at a time. See you again soon.